right, it has been a little bit since I've been behind the camera, but we are out here at the E-Station with Marcus, just filling up on some fuel. And thankfully, you can't see the E price right now, but thankfully the fuel prices are starting to drop. And little hint, this should be the last time I fill up with the black handle. I'm not gonna say what I bought, but that should be a pretty big guess. I will not have to touch this handle anymore. Won't have to use this stupid app either. A little bit over, oh well. Yeah, gas is dropping. We ordered a new part. We got Mr. Marcus. All right, we better get on the road. Just fixing my hat cam real quick. I think we'll rock the interior lights. I'll tell you what, dude, it feels so weird being behind the camera right now. It's been a minute. Because all the rain, but thankfully it did rain today. I'm sure you can see the water. It did rain today, but we have rain tomorrow, and then it's looking like the forecast is starting to clear up. So hopefully after tomorrow it stays, you know, no rain. But yeah, we're going out to a little, he's gonna want me to lead. Going out to a little late night meat joint. No racing tonight, obviously, just because, well, it's a little wet outside. But yeah, we did order some things. I don't know, we ordered them Wednesday, so they should be here like Tuesday, I think. I'm not gonna say what it is, but it should be pretty obvious. We won't have to touch the 93 handle anymore. There will be a video on that. As soon as that comes in and gets installed, there will be a whole video on that and the dyno and everything. Super excited for this to come in though. This was like the next piece of the puzzle. I needed this pretty badly, so, and then I think after this, it's gonna be time for a transmission, because I did say I do want to upgrade the transmission before Texas 2K, and after this gets dropped in, I mean, honestly, within the next like 6 months, I'll need to drop the trans in so it's ready for 2K. Okay, this thing was kind of dusty. I haven't washed this car in a minute. Literally just take it to the gym and back, because it's just been straight fucking rain, like for weeks now, just straight rain. But luckily it looks like it's starting to clear up. But it'll be nice weather. And then my buddy's getting his motor back. He got a built motor for his GT 500 through RPG, so hopefully once he drops that built motor in, the streets get hella active. I'm predicting once he gets his car back, everyone's gonna want to race this dude, and it's gonna be active every weekend. That's at least what I'm hoping for. So it'll be a good time for my next modification to be dropped in the car. But yeah, that trans is definitely gonna be needed, because I mean, shit, you can really only push these. They're only rated for like, I think 800. So it is definitely gonna be that time. Dude, it feels so weird commentating. Like, I've been out of it for like so long. This feels weird. I feel like I don't know like how the hell to talk. But with that being said, we got 31 minutes till we get to the meet spot. So I think I'm just gonna put up the camera until we get there, and yeah, I'll catch up with y'all in 30 minutes. All right, 1 minute out, not even. It's right here. I don't think it's this one though. Where am I parking?
There. What the fuck?
Thank you. Always appreciate the fellas at Essence for getting me straight. Holy fuck. Dude, there is a lot of Mopar out tonight. So we pulled up. We got Marcus. But TRX would be kind of cool to trail the car around with. Another Mopar. Yo, this is badass. Look at the intakes in the grill. That shit is tough. Matching with the headlights, that shit is sick. It's on 4Gs too. This is pretty clean as well. Bro, that shit was crazy. Huh? I know, I like the chrome, like literally chromed out. The blue? Yeah. Yeah, with the lid, it matches. Another car has some 4G autos. Some Maybach. We got Blake. Yeah, Blake got the carbon hood on. Looks hella good. It is the Cars Across Texas Aura Farmer right here.
Later.
This shit getting hot. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 coughs, man. 8? Make that 8? Holy shit. Oh my god. What up? 8. I know. 8 coughs. The Tim Hortons called and complained. The Tim Hortons was not happy. They do got like 9 cops here though. This is a little OD. All right, we are out of here, me and Marcus. Apparently this place closes in like 5 minutes and they're gonna like ticket everybody that's here. So we're just gonna dip. Look at them all. They got like literally the whole department here. Yeah, look at them all. They're all pulling out now. Probably about to pull everyone over. Honestly, we should have just kept going, but the highway, we need to turn around. But yeah, they were just, I don't know, they were being dicks for no reason. Saying like, if you're here in the next like 7 minutes, we're gonna give you a ticket. Obviously that's not the case because they're leaving now. I think that was just like a scare tactic. Yeah, they got a couple staying. Oh yeah, they got someone pulled over up here. What the thing is, turn that off. Dude, Mustang AC is brutal. But yeah, unfortunately, no runs tonight. It's too wet. It was just kind of pop out, record, get some content, because I've been slacking on the channel, to be honest, but it's been raining. There hasn't really been much going on. So, decided to come out tonight and at least record something. What's this guy doing? Accident? Oh no, they got someone pulled over. I'm over here not paying attention. Oh, and he's pulled over. Gotta drive nice and chill for like at least the next 10 minutes. I think we made it out. So Marcus got caught at the red light though. He should be good. Everyone's preoccupied. But yeah, super excited to get this part installed too. This is one of the pieces to the puzzle that we need. So that will be getting dropped in. I honestly have no idea when it's going to be getting put in. I ordered it. Today's Saturday. I ordered it 3 days ago, so hopefully it gets here like Monday, Tuesday, and we can drop it in and have everything done by the end of the week. But it also depends on Pat's schedule. Hopefully he'll be able to squeeze me in. We'll see. I'm not really in a rush for anything. I know they're having SA 2K, but I don't think I'm gonna go to that. I don't know, it's kind of 50-50. Like obviously I want to get runs in, it's just driving all the way out there is kind of far, and they've been promoting it for a while, so I think, you know, cops are going to be already ready. But I don't know, we'll see how everything goes. But yeah, I got a 40-minute cruise home. Sorry, this was kind of a short video. I just want to, you know, put something out just because I've been slacking. But hopefully you guys all enjoyed. Make sure you drop a like and a sub, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.